Hi, good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me now? Better? Is that good, guys? I'll still see the attendance is low. Is there again any other issue today? That's to me, I can just see only 30 attendance. Oh, re-exams. Oh, okay, Samyog. The re-exams are happening. Okay, okay, take care. Anyway, let's just quickly begin and let's restart from where we left. Okay, so we were supposed to start with the ratios part of the class. We completed with the percentage one, and then now we need to start with the ratios. So I'm just sharing out the PPT, and then we can start off with the questions directly. And then once we finish with the ratios, we'll go to the advanced question sets of percentage and the ratios part, right? Okay, so I'm sharing out the PPT. Just check and confirm if you are able to see this clearly. Okay, let's see. Is this visible to everyone? Just check, guys, if you are able to have the visuals. This is where we ended last time. Okay. Yeah. Can you guys see this? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now, just as we know, the ratios part. Okay, it's nothing but just a simple comparison. Just a simple comparison thing. Okay, let's go to the first question and then have a look at that. 1 minute. That's a percentage one. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay, let's try to do this. So what is the answer? You're getting D. Most of you are getting D. Okay. So what will be the best number to choose from? Ideally, instead of taking x as one of the variable, no, 100 again. See, if you look at the values that they split in 3 8 and the half, okay, the number of candies that they have, or the chocolates, should come out to be an integer. And always take a number that you will see in the options. Okay, never choose an value which is not consistent with the options, because then you'll have to do one more calculation to make it fitted to the observation. So here, option one is ruled out as it's greater than one, as d over total has to be less than one, so therefore it cannot be more than one, right? So therefore, first option is ruled out. Now, if you look at the other options carefully, 16, 32, 64. All of these can be reduced to 64. 16 into 4 is 64, 32 into 2 is 64. So So there might be some cancellation happening from the numerator for that, right? Am I am I am I audible now? Right? So what you need to do in the first case is just pick the best option that you can see from the, from the given five options. Okay, and then choose that. Now 30, try saying 20, 32, 64 can be blocked for 64. So let me just take 64 as the total. They have all equal 16, 16, 16, and 16. All four have 16. Our concern is only D. We do not concern about what are the leftovers of A, B, and C. A distributes 3/8 to all three of them, which means each one gets 1/8. 3/8 equally among three, which means 1/8 to each. So D is going to get only 1/8 of A. 1/8 of 16 is T, 2, so he'll get 2. B will also get 2. That means B will be 18. And after this, B is going to share half of the new one, not the old one, which means half of the 18, which is 9. So 16, 18, 18, 9, 27. So in the end, D is going to have 27 out of the total of 64. So therefore, option D. So what you see in this case is just two steps, just hardly any, calculation that you need to do on this one. If you try to solve this by using the X method, it's just gonna get a lot more complicated than what it should be. Okay, so just take a number which fits into the option so that you will see the answer right in the terms of the options, and then focus on only what is needed. Like here, we are interested in only the value that D will have in the end. So he gets 1/8 of A, which is 2, and half of B after he has received that 1/8 from there. So that's half of 18, which is 9. So total in the end, it's going to be 27 over 64. So which would be the final answer, right? Hardly any calculation. This is all you just needed to do for this calculation, for this question.